In this video, we'll show you how to set the stop rail to 90 degrees again. Remember to disconnect the device from power supply first. Set the rotary table to 0 degrees. Lock it in. Then pull the mitre saw downwards. Push the bolt in. In the next step, measure with an angle iron. Crooked. We need to loosen these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 to proceed. Loosen them. And afterwards, it is possible for you to move the stop rail. Set it to 90 degrees using an angle bracket. It does not matter whether the stop rail is further forward or further back. It fits. And the screws. Screw them back in. Make sure that the stop rail does not move. Check again. Fine. Now the mitre saw is ready for action, and you can do a test cut to check if the result is as expected or if you need to readjust.